You bouncing, Lincoln? Jamal's gonna push you here in a minute. He's looking right at you.
Hi, buddy.
Kick your feet. Kick your feet, Lincoln. Kick your feet.
His hands fell down.
Do you need your hand up? There you go. Hey, you guys, cut it out. Go. Go downstairs. Jamon, go downstairs. Not gonna play like that. Look at him go. Juice. Go. Come in here.
He's the man.
Good job, buddy.
He's the man.
You just bounced.